Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Honda Accord EXL, stock number B8862A. 20,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Kona coffee metallic in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's 2 years and 40,000 miles longer than the factory powertrain. Also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service. All available nationwide. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, helping to give it a 5-star overall crash rating. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. 60/40 split seat, will fold flat with the pull of a handle, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EXL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again 20,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen Honda Link system for radio, it's also satellite radio capable. You can sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Accord has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8862A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.